How to sign up TradingView account, create TradingView account. Now if you want to sign up or create a TradingView account, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the TradingView application, and this is the type of interface that you will be able to see. Now if you tap on the menu icon from the bottom right, there you'll find the option called sign in. So tap on the sign in button, and there are many ways to create an account. You can create an account using your Google account, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Yahoo, or even your Apple ID, or you can choose to create an independent account by tapping on the email option right here, going ahead and then making sure to enter the email address. Otherwise, you can tap on the sign up button right here. Now in the sign up field, you have to go ahead and then just enter a username that you want to use, and then go about entering the email address you want to use. Now you want to go ahead and then create your password. Now once you've entered and chose your password correctly, make sure you tap the I button to see what password you've typed in, and then just tap on the option that says create account. Then when you tap the create account button, just verify this CAPTCHA that it prompts you with, and once you've verified and completed the verification of this, you could go ahead and then tap on this little verify button right here. And once you've done that, you'll be able to see if the account has been created, and once you verify your email, your account will be successfully created. This way you can create a TradingView account. I hope the video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.